and 34X. Say hello to Frankie Gonzalez. These are machines. They're well built. They're powerhouses. We're going to burn it to the ground with car number 50. A warm welcome for Jason Yamamoto. Says thank you to Yamamoto Farms. He's been driving these rigs and crashing them for 24 years. There's the 82 car, Ryan Shivers, 22-year veteran when it comes to Destruction Derby, a 2009 Lincoln Town car. On the outside of him, that's Good Times number 35. Good Times 35, Isaac Rugoso. Says thank you to the Mattioli brothers. Also a big thanks to Familia Trucking. Familia Gonzalez's are here. And then the 587. First time ever on the playing field. Anthony Roach out of